Do you know students cars in their country? Honda, Japan, Tata, India, Renault, France, Porsche, Germany, Hyundai, South Korea, Mazda, Japan, Ferrari, Italy, Chile, China, GMC, America, Mahindra, not Britain, sorry, it's India, Dodge, America, McLaren, Britain, Kia, South Korea, Chevrolet,